What's up, Flow family? Welcome back to another video with your local Flow Prodigy. If it is your first time on this channel, I'm Brendan Perez, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button to see more videos like this one. In this video, we're going to be going over how to 360 shove it. Let's get into it. So the 360 shove it is exactly like the normal shove it, only instead of the board spinning 180 degrees, you're kicking the board around just a little harder to make it spin 360 degrees. Now it's very important that you have your 180 shove it down on lock. If you don't have a strong shove it, you will have a much higher difficulty when learning the 360 shove it. Now for the foot positioning, we're actually going to be following very similar rules from the 180 shove it. Now we're still going to be shoulder width apart on our board, and we're going to make sure that we have our back foot towards our tail. And I am going to make it a little more mandatory in this video that you have your toes wrapped around the edge of your tail for a better grasp when flicking the board. Now this is a fun trick to throw on all parts of the wave, however I personally enjoy throwing this trick the most when I'm carving across the wave. And depending on how I'm feeling, throwing the 360 shove it across the wave is a little easier rather than throwing it in one spot. Now one of the biggest pieces of advice that I can offer for this trick is making sure that as you're doing that flick and popping straight up into the air, that you are keeping your shoulders completely centered the entire time.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And since you're still here, might as well show some more love and hit that bell-shaped icon. That's the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload. And I will see you on the next one.